Hello all. Now we will discuss about various slicing operations on strings. What do you mean by slicing string? String slicing can return a range of characters. First we will see mention the start and end index separated by a colon to return a part of the string. Extract the characters from position 3 to position 5. Let us say this is the example string 1 programming language. Here we wanted to extract from position 3 to position 5. In every string the first index starts with 0, second one is 1, third one is 2, so on. So from position 3, this one 0th position, this is first position, this is second position, this is third position. That means G, and then to position 5. This is a fourth position or fifth position A. So we need the characters from position 3 to position 5. That means G or A. That needs to be extracted. So for that we need to give this syntax. In print function str1, the string, in the string we wanted the characters from position 3 to 5. So here we have given end index 6, start index 3, end index y we have given 6. So this index will be ignored. That means previous index. What is that previous index to 6? That is 5. So that's how it works. Now we will run this program and we will see. Okay, here before that we'll save this program. Here we'll save it str1 str underscore slice score 1 dot py. This is the folder. Now we'll run it. This is the program. It has displayed GRA. These three characters GRA extracted, correct, right? So these three GRA. Next, we will see slice from the start. Print the characters from the start to position 4. The position 4 here not included. So example string is str2 equal to Python world. In Python world, start index is 0 as we discussed previously. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 because fourth position not included. So what is the syntax in print statement? Print str2. This is the original string. In that I wanted to print the characters from the start to position 4. Position 4 anyway it's not included. So 0th position, first position, second position and third position. So these four characters has to be extracted, printed. Okay, we'll see this program also. Here only we'll save it. Same. We'll remove previous program and we are saving here. Save. We'll run again. Yeah, we have got pyth. Yeah, here pyth, correct. Next, slice to the end. Print the characters from position 3 and all the way to the end. str3 equal to United States. Here syntax print. In print we have given str3. This is the original string. From there print the characters from position 3. What is the position 3 character? 0th one, first, second, third. Position 3 index is T. Okay, from here till end it has to be printed. So TED states. So this also will run. Yeah, TED states, correct. Now we'll see negative indexing. What is meant by negative indexing? Negative indexes to start the slice from end of the string. Example string str4 equal to art gallery exclamatory mark. So print, what is the syntax? Str4 minus 5 semicolon minus 2. So what does it mean? It has to start from second index, from end of the string. This mark is 0th index, y is first index, r is second index. 2 to 5, this is a second index, third and 4. 5, the last index is ignored, so it has to print ler. Okay, now we will check this one. Yeah, ler, correct. Then these are the string slicing operations. Next, we'll discuss about Python built-in methods for strings. The first one is uppercase. What it performs, the upper method returns a string in uppercase. str5 equal to game programming. You can see how we have written. So this particular string will be converted into uppercase by using a upper function built-in method. So we'll run and see. We'll save built-in. Now we'll run it. Yeah, now you can see game programming. Yeah, this is the result. All characters are converted to in capital letters. Okay, uppercase. Next, the another one is lowercase. The lower method returns the string in lowercase. This is the example. str6 web development. So all the characters present in the string will be converted to lowercase. We'll run this program. Yeah, here you can see all characters in the string got converted into lowercase. Next, remove white space. Here there is a method strip. What it perform? It removes any white space from the beginning or the end. Example this one str7 equal to computer games. You can see this is the space, white space, and this one. It removes and gives. What is the syntax? Print str7 dot strip. Let us see this program. Save, run. Yeah, it has removed the white space in the beginning and the end and printed. Next, replace string. Here there is a method replace a string with another string. Example str8 equal to in double quotes 1 comma apple. What is the syntax? Print str8 dot replace. I am replacing 1 with 2. So it has to print 2 comma apple. Let us check this one. Yeah, 2 comma apple. Next, split string. Here split method returns a list. What it returns? It returns a list where the text between the specified separator becomes a list items. Example str9 equal to python comma web comma is a separator. So what is the syntax? str9 dot split we have given here in double quotes comma. So what it performs? It returns python this one as a one item or one word. Another one is web. These are the list items. Returns a list. So we'll check. Yeah, it has written list items. Python web. So and we'll discuss about string concatenation. Here it combines two strings. For that we can use plus operator. Example str1 equal to welcome, str2 to College of Engineering, str3 str1 plus str2. str1 plus we'll have to give space plus str2 and we'll have to print str3. So here it has to give welcome to College of Engineering. So we'll run. File save as struncat.py. Python, this one. So welcome to College of Engineering. This is completed. Format strings. As we know that we cannot combine strings and numbers, but we can combine strings and numbers by using f strings or the format method. We'll see example. Age equal to 20. Message, my name is Mahesh, comma, I am, double quotes, plus age. We'll see this one and we'll observe what will happen. Save as format underscore one dot py. Where it has saved, we'll save in this folder. This is the program. See what is the error? Type error, can only concatenate string, not into string. So this is the issue if you don't use f strings or format method. So for that reason, we will have to use this one. Message equal to append f in the beginning for string literal, which we have taken. Okay. And also use placeholders to represent variable. This is age equal to 20. This is a variable. In placeholder, we can keep variable, operation, anything we can keep. Okay. So here age is a variable. Append string literal with f. My name is Mahesh. I am. In the placeholder age we have mentioned. I am 20 years old. It has to print. Let us see this one. We'll replace the previous code instruction and we'll check. We'll remove print message. Yeah, my name is Mahesh. I am 20 years old. So it has printed correctly. We don't have any issue here. Then we'll see escape characters. To insert characters that are illegal in the string, use an escape character. An escape character is backslash followed by the character you want to insert. For example, here we'll remove this and this one will comment it for time being. So what we have written, message welcome to, in the string again substring, let us say here, this one we have kept in double quotes, here one, here one. So it doesn't allow. We'll check this one first. We'll save this file. We'll remove this and see what is the issue. File save as Python escape character .py. Now we'll run and see what is the issue. Okay, we have saved it. Now come here. Yeah, it says invalid syntax. Inside string we have, for substring again we have kept in double quotes. So what is the solution for this? Here what we do, you use backslash. This is the solution. We need to use escape character. So it allows this particular substring in double quotes. If you do like this, save it, run. Yeah, here you see welcome to RV Engineering College students. Okay. So that's all for this video.